Okay, so a quick 5M self-care tip with how to use a academic planner in order to practice mindfulness. So first of all, what is mindfulness? Mindfulness is defined as being the quality or state of being conscious of something from moment to moment, like yourself or your surroundings, in a non-judgmental and gentle way. So when it comes to planning, I've always used an academic planner because I can be able to write out my to-do list for the day and keep track of my deadlines and these kind of things. It's a simple one where you can write things within the blocks here, and then just have your day-to-day where you can jot down a few things. Simple as this is, it might go without saying, but this is great for organization. And in order to be mindful with your schedule, you have to be able to know what's going on from moment to moment, or what you need to be doing, where you need to be best spending your time, and not beating yourself up when you miss deadlines or when you don't get things accomplished. You can be positively reinforcing to yourself. There's one huge thing that happens with deadlines. Even when you miss your deadline, you still wind up being in the ballpark, whatever your goal is, way more than if you just try to do it all in your head and not use something like a planner. Now, digital planners are good, and more power to people that use them. I use them myself, but maybe it's because of how I grew up and how I planned and how this became my best friend. Being able to write it out, jot things down in a moment is just better for me. And I know that means it's also better for someone else too. So I just thought I'd take a second to remind you, or to bring it to your realization if you've never used one before. You can usually get them for anywhere between, $10 and $20. It can just be a way to have a mental dump, to take everything out of your brain and to put it into something where it can contain it for you and help you to manage. Using a planner is really about mental health and self-care. Mentally helping yourself by not having everything just all up here. So that's it. I talk about these kind of mental health and self-care tips on my website at 5mselfcare.com, and I also host Saturday self-care workshops that are family friendly so that we can talk about this and other things to relieve your stress and just help you live a better quality of life. So check out the info and let's keep rapping about this. Join the email list, check out the meditations, let me know how they make you feel, and come to the workshops on Saturdays. All the info is in the caption. Let me know if you appreciated this and if it's helped you in any way. It's called Shot of Gold. It's turmeric, ginger, and lemon from Plant Bar inside Belvedere Square. Yeah, it definitely hits you. But it's an elixir, so it's really good for you. Turmeric is really good for inflammation. Lemon and ginger are really good for what lemon and ginger are really good for.